hungry? Sit down over here so that you can be able to stretch your leg. Will you finish your food? Pray. Pray, quick, quick, quick. Pray now. You finished praying?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm about to prepare lunch. I already settled my daughter. I gave her plantain and egg because I don't know when this lunch will be ready. I just brought her back from school, so I needed to settle her and straight up to the kitchen. I'm going to be preparing Ogbono soup. So yeah. Here I have pepper, scotch bonnet, I have crayfish, and I have onions. I'm going to allow this to steam for a bit. Okay. I go in with my washed, dried, and blended Ogbono. Let me know the method you use in preparing Ogbono, as there are different methods and different styles, varying from culture to culture, family to family, lifestyle to lifestyle. Let me know which one works for you. And particularly, do you blend your Ogbono in the market or you come home to wash it first? I prefer the washing method. I would wash it first, dry it, and blend. I really want to explore different methods too, but this is how I've always done it. I'm supposed to have hot water so this thing cooks faster, but whatever happens to be that. Okay, I'm going to go in with my dry fish and stockfish already washed. You're faking light. Change over. It's funny how they hardly take light here. Hardly. And if they take light, we just switch to solar. Okay, I'll add more water and allow to steam a bit. I heard you don't cover Ogbono. I don't too, but at the initial stage I cover it for everything to cook well first before I open it up and add the quantity of water I'm supposed to add. Okay. I think I'm fine with this boil. I'll go ahead to add my seasoning. I use no. I'm going in with the fish stock, but I want to sieve because of the bone. I have a toddler. I've also picked out the bone from the main fish we'll be using. So yeah, I think I want to go with my okazi next. This is my okazi leaf. My okazi is very strong, so it goes in first. The next leaf I'll be putting is my ugu. That one, once I put it, I'm bringing down the food. Are you one of those that don't taste food while cooking? I'm one of those, honestly. Now I would be using my eye judgment because I already boiled the fish stock with salt, so I need to be careful how the thing is, I also even know that boiled the fish, so I can't now imagine the salt. But then I'll still use my eye judgment, and trust me, it's gonna come out better. Yep. A little bit of salt. I think this can do. Yep. Soup is one of the easiest things to cook, if you ask me. As long as someone does the preparation for you. In my case, it's just to instruct. Once the preparation has been done, I do the cooking. Okay, so this has cooked for a while. Do I think it's too thick? I think it's okay. Let me add I have my uziza seed here, so I just use eye judgment to put inside. Once I add my vegetable, then I know that I'm done already. I'll stir and add my fish. And this ugu has made it look very thick. Guys, we are done. We are done. We're done. Would you eat our us? Okay. Let's prepare our swallow. I'll be using oat swallow. Ora, come and take. Ora, for Machuku. Me and you that own this food though.